What's up everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to make crispy air fryer wings. This is by far the easiest method that's out there. No need to do a dredge with egg or anything like that. You're going to end up really crispy. So I'm starting with whole wings. You can use the wings that are already cut up, but just want to show you really quick how easy it is to do that. If you're in the right spot, it'll cut right through. So we're going to take these. Alright, let's start on the breading. I have 1 cup all-purpose flour. I'm going to put this in a big Ziploc bag. Set that aside for right now. Next I have 3 spices. So we have black pepper, we have seasoning salt, and we have Old Bay seasoning. And trust me, this is so good. This is better than KFC. Of course, I'm not a big fan of KFC. We're going to mix this up and we're going to put some of this on our chicken. Okay, so we're going to put some seasoning on these before we put them in the flour. So we take our seasoning mix we just put together, give it a little dusting. Next we're going to get dirty and get this seasoning spread out nice and evenly. Okay, now that that's all mixed in and the chicken wings and wingettes and drumettes, whatever they're called, are nice and coated, we're going to set that aside. Okay, so now we're going to take the rest of the seasoning and we're going to put it right in our flour. And we're going to toss that around and mix that up really well. Shake and bake, baby. Alright, let's get our chicken in our breading. So I'm going to take these 3 at a time, drop them in, and we're just going to make sure they're good and coated. And I'm going to reach in and I'm going to shake the excess flour off. And then I'm going to put these right down on the pan and keep going until we fill that pan up, and make sure they don't touch on the pan. Alright, and last one, and like I said, make sure there's space in between these. That'll help them cook better. So we're going to put these in the air fryer at 425 degrees. It's going to be 25 minutes total for the cook time. At 12 minutes, we're going to turn these over. Okay, 425 degrees. We're going to put these in on air bake. We're going to set it for 12 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and flip them over. Okay, that's 12 minutes. We're going to pull these out and we're going to flip them. Let's take a look at these. They already look amazing. One thing you can do if you have a little bit of flour still dry, I got some olive oil. Just go ahead and give it a spritz of oil. I'm just going to flip all these over. Okay, now we're going to put these back in for 12 more minutes. Alright. Looks and smells amazing. There we go. Before we dig in, don't know if you can hear that, but see how crispy that air fryer chicken is? I'm going to let this cool down a little bit and we're going to dig in. Hey everyone, Riley and me going to try out these air fryer crispy wings. We tossed these in straight up buffalo sauce. They're pretty spicy, so I'm going to go with a regular wing first. Riley?
Regular wing first.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
I'll tell you what, I never knew how to season flour before, but this recipe is gold. It's good?
Yeah.
hard to stop eating. All right. I'm gonna do a spicy one now. With some blue cheese. You want some?
I
You
already got some here.
Oh, whew, these are strong. That is still good. The seasoned breading comes through. The buffalo sauce. Got some kick.
That, oops. I'll
Give it
try.
a try. Good?
Yeah. The buffalo sauce on it makes it so good.
All right, thanks for watching. Give this a try. It's really easy and delicious. I recommend getting an air fryer if you don't have one, and it's healthier. I won't call these healthy, but healthier way to eat good wings. So thanks for watching. Give us a like and please subscribe.